Hi everyone, I'm Ruth, and this is my mom's channel. I will be your host. Today, we're going to make a super cool children's book with Chatgpt, Midjourney, and Canva. Are you excited? I know I am. So, in our last video, we did some really cool research and found out that the keyword Easter Book Jesus was a great niche for our book. If you missed that video, don't worry. I'll put a link in the description so you can watch it later. And guess what? I also have a free trial link for BookBolt, which is super helpful for your research. Check it out in the description too. Now, let's get started with Chatgpt. So, this is how we got the idea for our book. I asked Chatgpt to help me come up with a story about Easter that would teach kids about Jesus. I said, can you help me think of an Easter story for toddlers that's modern and relevant to kids today, but doesn't have any bunnies or eggs, and instead teaches kids about Jesus, about what Easter is really about, and also, not too many characters. Chatgpt gave me so many great ideas, but my favorite one was called Betrayed. Now let me tell you about our story. It's about a little girl called Lily who has a best friend called Emma. But one day her friend does something that hurts her feelings and makes her feel alone. Have you ever felt like that? I know I have. But then Lily learns about Judas, who betrayed Jesus, and how Jesus forgave him. And she realizes that forgiveness can heal even the deepest wounds. Isn't that amazing? So then, I asked Chatgpt to write the story, break it down into titles per page, and not exceed 9 titles, so that we can be organized when creating the scenes on Midjourney. I also asked Chatgpt to describe each scene to a text-to-image tool. These are the words we will take to Midjourney to create the book. So you'll get descriptive words like these. Okay, now that we have our story, it's time to make our book using Midjourney and Canva. Midjourney is the website that will help us to create the book layouts, and Canva will turn these images into beautiful pages. We're going to use both of them to make our book look super cool. But before we start, let me tell you about the character pack my mom created that you can find in the description below. The pack has high-quality characters that you can use as a template for your picture books, including her secret Midjourney master prompt that will help you create great characters every time. It includes the original character, a green screen copy, and a transparent version for video editing. So, make sure you check that out. Now, let's get back to Midjourney. First, we create our first character, then recreate the different scenes with it, and then add the second character to the images. It's a bit complex, but with some patience, we can do it. All you have to do is click the message box, type /imagine, and then enter your text. I enter my mom's master prompt that creates amazing 3D characters. The thing with Midjourney is to ensure your prompts describe the character in great detail, then press enter. If I am dissatisfied with the result, I press the regenerate button, and if I like an image, I upscale and open it in a browser to download it. So now we try to place the character in the scenes generated by Chatgpt. On the tab with the image, you collect the image link and paste it at the beginning of a new prompt. Then paste the scene from Chatgpt, add your master prompt, and hit enter. From the options, you can either upscale, create different variations, or regenerate. Do this until you're satisfied with how your image looks. Using this method, you should be able to come up with similar images. If you're not getting the results you want, you can add the seed method. Just click on Add Reaction, type envelope, and click on it. The Midjourney bot will have your image resent with this seed number, which we will copy. Come back to Create, Imagine Prompt, paste your link, Chatgpt scene text, master prompt, and then at the end add -- seed and paste the seed number here. This should give better, more consistent results. And just modify the results as you please. When the template opens up, we'll want to add the file we downloaded from Amazon by clicking on Uploads and selecting the file. We'll stretch it to fit corner to corner, making sure not to resize it, and then we can upload the images we created in Midjourney. We'll want to choose the image we want to use on the cover and add it to the design, adjusting it to fit as necessary. Then we can add the book title and author name using the text tools. Let me do that and I'll be right back. You can add some color and book information on your cover as well. Be sure not to cover this barcode section. Once we have the cover design done, we can move on to creating the interior of the book. Back to home, create design, custom size, enter 8.5 by 8.5 inches. Upload my Amazon template, but fold and use one side only so that my images fit inside the pages perfectly. This ensures our book will not be rejected by Amazon. Then we can add our images and text to each page, making sure to follow the story we created using Chatgpt. So here we are, this is the book we've created. And that's pretty much it. Once we have all the pages done, we can export the design as a PDF and upload it to Amazon KDP to publish our book. Don't forget to check out our Midjourney character pack and the Book Bolt free trial link in the description below. See you in the next video.